Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your email address associated with your Facebook profile on the Facebook app for iPhone and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. Just go ahead and select it one time. And then you want to select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select Settings. And then scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility, select Profile Details. If you scroll down underneath Contact Info, select the little pencil icon next to the email, and then in that case you can go ahead and actually change the email address from there. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.